Wednesday afternoon, and I'm trying to get bits done on the IBC tank here, but as soon as I get the paintbrush out, it starts fucking raining again. Now, that janky skimmer there, we used the pump, put a cage on it, run it up to a 5 watt UV over the shower. I've yet to wire the Veriflow pump up yet, and that will pump straight up and back over the shower. So in total we'll be moving about 5,500 litres an hour over the shower. I might yet put the 4th tier back on. I just don't want it going any higher than the fence, really, to be honest. And like I say, I've got to make a box to go here to hold all my electrics as well. So there's still plenty to do. I mean, I really wanted to get some fish in it Friday, but the way things are going, it doesn't look that way at the moment. I've actually turned the temperature off in the growing on tank at the moment. I couldn't tell you what temperature that is. Hang on a second. There's the gun. Good old faithful testing gun. There we go. We're 19.3 in the main pond. 17.3 in the IBC tank. And we are 22.2 in the growing on tank, and that's without even having the heaters on at the moment. I'll be back later on today if and when we get any. I've just had a trial run with the other pump hooked on, and they're just combating one another. So I think what I'm going to have to do is put in a separate spray bar for the second pump. I'll come back to you soon. Been pottering around all day, nice and gentle, nice and slow, and other than 2 plugs, my little electrics box is in. So I I've just got to put a plug on that pump over there, and then I've got to put a plug on that one there to kick it all up. I've got just the front to screw on there, and then I put some flash in on the top to cover up the joint, and then we'll just give her a paint up, and then everything will be tickety-boo. I've broken down my mind your own business today and put that in the shower. So just been having a bit of a manic clean-up session, but yeah, getting very pleased. That is 99.8% of all the spare wood used up now. So I don't think I've done well on my recycling purge on this one. I do like to recycle, reuse, etc, etc. I think the next project really is Here's the main pond. There's the babies looking for food again. Think I'm going to feed them. But yeah, what have I got to do in here? What have I've got an aerated bottom drain dome there to convert to fit on my Cockney koi one that's down there. I also have, I don't see it, oh you can see it. I got a nasty fold there. And get out the way, finger. I got a nasty fold over there. So that's up and coming projects, as well as the changes that Sue wants made over in this corner. Koi keeper's life is never done, is it? It's never boring. It's ever changing. You're always learning. Get that bloody finger out the way, Vince. People want to look at the fish, not the finger. Isn't that right, folks? Yeah, I know you're right. Cashiogons are looking cracking. You really can see a difference in the colours. We did pick 5 of different shades. Don't know where my one's gone. This one here, once the flukes are gone, will be going back up for sale, because this was one Sue picked to start with, and then she decided she liked this one better. Sorry babies, I got nothing for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, well, give me a minute. Hang on. Bear with me, folks. Yep, my switch box. I know everyone keeps asking about it. This was a custom built and wired in by my lovely dad. So what we do is we flick the spotlight on, we spit the skimmer off, listen to her suck, pick up me pot. Bloody phone is crap. But then you already know this, don't you, folks? Yep, got me spotlight for me night time. Do love to chill out here in the evening. Here you go, cupcakes. Huh? Water's looking lovely and clear at the moment. Here comes mine again. He was the darkest one of the bunch. I'm telling you, once he gets a bit bigger, he's gonna give a presence in the pond, I can tell you. Here's my best fish from last year's fry from Adam Koi Farm. Saying that, this Kahaku is from Adam Koi Farm, and so is the 3-step. The flowery patterned 1-step, it will be going up for sale once we've got the flukes gotten. And no, I'm not watching the football. I got better things to do right now. No, I'm not being unpatriotic. I am a patriot. I served. I done my time. I just don't enjoy watching 21 men run round after a little bit of leather. England team or not. Sorry, if you don't like something, you don't like something. And on that note, folks, from me, have the rest of the evening be a good one, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care now.